What's going on, boys?
Alright. So today, we're eating the hottest chicken in Nashville, in my opinion. Prince's Hot Chicken, the best as well. He's never had it. He's never had it. I've had it a few times now. Why do we have milk and orange juice, Wes?
Milk is good to calm down the heat, and the acidity of the orange juice corrects your pH. And I don't know if that's true.
I didn't know. I mean, they give
Is
you
that true?
They give
Well,
you
the
pickles.
acidity does.
I mean,
help
they give you
with the
pickles
heat.
with the hot chicken, so I guess it makes sense. The acidity. He's not ready. He's not ready at all.
He's imagining.
Would you like to explain the rules that we're doing today? First to tap out, what happens?
Yeah, so if you look here on the plate,
I have one piece of chicken now.
we have 2 pieces of chicken. First, tap out. Does not get any ice cream after this for dessert.
We have ice cream sitting in the freezer, ready to go. And I'm sorry, but I think you're gonna be the first that's like not.
Oh, I know. I'm okay.
If you need the ice cream, I'll give you the ice cream.
Hey, my name's Wes, and I think Kyle's gonna be first to check out.
So, without further ado, grab a single piece of chicken.
Wait, we have to eat the whole piece?
Yeah.
Okay, I was not instructed.
What did you think you were getting? One bite and get?
Yeah, 1 bite, that's all. Everybody knows the rules. Take Portnoy. Come on.
So one bite, everybody knows the rules.
Whole piece.
Alright, so the rules apparently are we have to eat the whole piece of chicken.
He's not ready for
And
this.
so we do have the milk and orange juice just to help cleanse the palate and help us feel better about ourselves. But there's ice cream later if we can't handle it. So if any of us tap out, which is definitely going to be me, I don't get to eat the ice cream.
Your mouth will just go numb and you won't feel a thing.
You know what? I really don't want that to happen.
Just saying, it might help you here. You ready? Grab a piece.
I'd suggest that you grab the other side so you get the smaller end of your mouth.
Let's do it. I'm here for that. Yep. Best Nashville hot chicken in town.
Okay, by tapping out, what does that mean?
You drink it. Anything. Last. They just asked me if I was like actually ready for this. So look at that. I told you guys I was ready for this.
Man, I'm here for it.
Yep. Yep.
You think I have
Yep. Yeah. You got it, bud. You got it.
I'm going to play Moroccan thing. I'm not going to lose. I'm not going to lose.
How you doing, bud? Doing good. How are you doing, bud? Yep.
Princess is not paying us to do this. I would just like to say that. This is not a sponsored video. But if you would like to pay us, I can't see.
I'll gladly eat this once a week. I can't see. I'll gladly eat this once a week if you paid me.
Sorry, I'm breaking. I can't.
We can do it.
Oh, guys, that was brutal. I can't smell anything.
I think it smells better.
How? I literally just smell snot.
I like feel it right here. Just sitting in my bowl.
I'm loving this.
Stuck in
I
my
love
teeth.
it. Hot chicken. 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Great.
For what it is? This is like a 9 out of 10. It's exactly what you'd want out of hot chicken. Tastes good. It's hot. It's from Nashville.
Really good. Really hot.
I might have to actually stop.
1 out of 10.
On a heat level or just quality?
Yeah.
How And would you do it
Can't
again?
feel it. No. Chicken good. I give it a 10, but I'm not ever doing that again. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. It's a bad case. Okay.
Have you tried the citrus?
Is it gonna be better?
Let's just sip.
Might actually make you mercy.
Who told you that was a good idea?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Do you need the ice cream?
Yeah.
My eyelids, I'm not even crying. This is the weirdest thing. My eyelids are sweating. Like under my eyes. I've never had that happen before.
So the lady at Prince's who asked me if I was sure about ordering this,
Here's to you.
I told you. Cheers. Enjoy this. Alright, Prince's, I know I'll be back.
I'll definitely be back.
I don't know about these two, but the hottest chicken, I'm definitely ordering it again.
I'd order it again.
I would never eat this again.
But would you still eat Prince's?
Yeah, of course. I ate it the other day. It's pretty good.
So I hear first, Prince's hottest chicken in Nashville, Tennessee. The best in Nashville, in my opinion.
10 out of 10.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.